Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Well, can you hear and see teacher?
Yes.
Okay, great. So nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Rachel. How about you? What is your name?
Is it Julia?
Your name is
Is it great Julia?
AC?
Is it Julia?
Okay, so can I call you AC?
Yes.
AC, how old are you?
3 years old.
You're 3. Wow, great. So, AC, how are you today?
I'm going to great school, and I want to be happy to go there.
Oh, I see. And are you happy today and good?
Yes.
Okay. I'm happy to meet you.
You please get some toys. I love a boo boo.
What
Please.
what toys do you want to have later?
To buy toys and the Labubu and Easy Week and in Easy Give Teacher uh uh uh
Did you say labubo?
yes yeah
Okay.
Bobo.
So later, when you did well to our assessment, teacher will give you stickers, labubo stickers, okay?
Wow, nah.
But we have to start with our letter sound song, okay? So AC, we have to sing the letter sound song, and you're going to tell the sound when the letter pause, okay?
Yes.
Ready? Okay, teacher will play our song, the letter sound song.
I want to go drink.
A,
A
A
makes
uh uh
very
A. B makes
B
good.
C makes
K,
and
D
D makes
D
D
makes
E makes
E
E.
F,
F makes
F makes
F
G makes
J
G,
G G G G G G G G. H
H
makes
makes
H
I makes
Eagle
I. J makes
J
J.
yeah,
And K makes
K
good job.
L makes
L
N
M
makes
makes
M
and N makes
N
N,
O
O
makes
makes
O
O,
O. P makes
P
Q makes
F
and R makes
R,
S makes and T makes and
U
U makes
makes
U
uh, V
V
makes
makes
V
W
W
makes
makes
W
W,
Y
X makes X and Y makes
yeah
Z
Z
makes
makes
Z.
Z. Good
and
job.
that is the end of the song.
Okay, very good. AC. Now this time, teacher will give you your first rewards for today.
I want that one.
Which
The
one? The
love
pink
book.
one
I
and the
want the black one.
brown one. Oh, I see. So don't worry. Later, I'll give you other colors of Labubu. Okay?
Okay, I want to write.
Yes.
Write a
So
book.
welcome to our class, AC. So for today, since this is our first time, so we will have your
Big,
read
big
level
luck. Yeah.
assessment. Okay.
Listen to teacher. Listen to teacher. Listen to teacher. Don't go anywhere.
Yan. So we have two
I want
jars. I'll put letter candies inside. So you're going to tell me the sound of the candies, AC. Okay?
give me candies. I want
Yeah.
to put it
I'll
on
give
the
you the
cake.
first candy. It's
Wow,
letter F.
it's a
What's the
candy.
sound of F?
F.
F sounds.
F.
Yes. It's how about the second candy? It's letter B. What's the sound of B? Good. That's great. Next, letter C.
See.
The sound of C is. Can you say?
Uh.
Yes. Great. That's K. And the letter J.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, I think I need to open the second jar and put the first candy. It's letter
H.
H. What's the sound of H?
H.
H sounds. There's an ear. Yes, very good. Next, the letter K. K, K. Yes. How about the letter D?
F.
D?
The.
Yes, it's like you're knocking on the door. D, D. Very good. And the next letter is letter G.
G.
G sounds.
The.
It's like you're drinking. It's G, G, G. Can you say it again? G
The.
sounds. G, G.
The. E sounds. G.
Yes. Very good. Okay, good job. So you got great job, Star. Easy.
This is a boy.
Yeah, and it's
This is a girl and this is a boy.
girl and boy. That's correct. Now we have here the vowels. You're going to tell dictate the sound, and then I'll give you your next Labubu sticker. Okay, AC?
Okay.
Let's go with the first letter. It's letter A. What's the sound of A?
A for apple.
Yeah, so A is for apple, but what is the sound of A?
Ah.
Ah, very good. How about the letter E?
E says
Very good. It's like you're smiling. Good job. How about the letter O? What's the sound of O?
Q.
O sounds.
O.
Oh, very good. That's right. And the letter I.
F.
I sounds. It's like it's itchy. AC. What's the sound of I? E. E. Can you say it again?
E. E.
Very good. And the letter U sounds.
U.
Ah, ah.
O.
One more time. Ah, ah, ah.
O. O.
Very good. Because the letter A is a long one. You say
I. Wait.
what?
We get a dress for Isi, okay?
Later after.
Wait lang po.
Okay, I'll wait you and then I'll give you your reward. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, mommy.
Yan, it's there.
That
Okay.
was because I want to tell teacher and live with them.
Teacher, wait lang po saglit ha. Gusto niya kasi mag-dress. Wait lang po. See? I told you to behave.
I got
You listen to teacher. Ano na? We have a nice dress na.
But my grandma's
It's okay.
my grandma's not working.
Ay, naku, Jesus.
Give me a bag.
Ay, hindi na magbag kasi mag-class man ikaw.
Okay.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Okay, so I'll give you your next Labubu, ACR. A blue one.
The one and that one I want the pink.
The pink, and then I'll put here the blue. Pink, the blue, the pink, the blue, and the brown. So later I will give you another color, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Well, you got two great job scores too. Now let's have this one. Easy. What's the sound of letter L?
E.
L sounds.
E.
Oh, very good. How about the letter M?
M.
M sounds.
M.
Mm.
Mm.
Very good. It's like you eat yummy food. Mm. How about the N?
Mm.
Very good. Letter P sounds.
P.
P. Good job. Letter Q sounds.
Qua.
Qua. Very good. Letter R sounds.
Into ugly.
R sounds. It's like the rabbit. Oh. Er. Er. One more time. Sound of R. Er. Very good. Letter S. What's the sound of S?
E.
S sounds like a snake. Can you say that again, Easy? Very good. And how about the sound of T? T, T. Very good.
Pa. Pa. Pa.
T.
Ch.
One more time. Letter T. T, T.
Ta. Ta.
Yan. Very good. Next, letter V.
B.
V sounds.
V.
W sounds.
The B. E says.
W says. Wah, wah.
Wa. Wa.
Very good again.
Wa. Wa.
Good job. And how about the X? X says. X. And how about the Y? What's the sound of Y?
Y.
Y sounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again. One more time. Y sounds. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, how about the last letter? The letter Z. What's the sound of Z?
And I'll get the bag of candy.
Oh, you tell teacher first. What's the sound of letter Z?
V for
Z for?
W.
It's like you're zipping your mouth. Z.
Z.
Again.
Mm.
Z. Yan. That's for Z. Good job. Oh, AC give teacher a high five. Very good. High five. Okay, so now we will try to read AC, okay?
Okay.
Yes, and when you
Bye.
read words, teacher will give you your next sticker, okay?
Okay.
Okay. AC, can you try to read this one?
Okay.
How to read this word?
S.
Let's try to letter sound. What's the sound of letter C?
C for c.
T. A sounds.
E.
A. Ah.
Ah.
And the letter T sounds. T. T. Can you say it again?
T.
Oh, let's learn to blend it, AC. You say at. K. At. What is the word, AC? When you put the two. K. At. The word is
Is
cat.
cat.
Yes.
Cat.
See, do you have a pet cat at home?
Cat.
Do you have cat at home, AC?
Yes.
Yes, really? How many cats do you have? Do you have one cat or two
Yeah.
cats?
So cute cat. I want to buy cat. So cute.
You want to buy cat?
Okay. It's run away like that.
I see. Okay, can you say it? Can you say the word again? What is our word here, AC? Cat.
Cat.
Yes. Oh, let's try this one naman. Let's try this. How to read this word?
P. E.
At. P. At. The
At.
word is
At.
p. At.
P. At.
Pet.
P. At.
Can you say the word pet?
Pet.
Very good. AC, how
Pet.
about do you have pets at home?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's nice to hear. Okay, again, what is our word? Can you say the word? Pet. Great. Okay, next one. Then I'll give you your next sticker. Okay, how about this? How to read this word? Oh, letter sound it, AC. What is the sound of letter S?
Hey, listen to teacher. Come here.
Okay, wait.
Where are you going?
Okay, wait.
Ay, nako.
Let's go.
Wow. Okay now? Okay. Wow, nice bag. Let's letter sound this one. What is the sound of letter S?
That's easy bag.
S sounds. Letter I sounds.
It's like snake, no?
Yes. Well, what's the sound of I?
Eyes.
Like
What?
itchy. E, e.
E.
And the sound of letter T is. What's the sound of T?
Sir.
Oh, can you try to blend this one? AC. It. It. The word is sit. Can you say it again? Sit.
Sit.
Yeah. Are you sitting properly?
Yeah.
Yes. Good job. Okay. So again, AC, what is our word?
Yes.
The word is. Can you repeat the word, AC?
Yes.
Say sit. Sit. Can you say it again? Sit. Okay. So, since you're sitting properly, teacher will give you your next one. Wow. Another pink. Another one. Yeah. What color do you like next, AC?
Blue one.
A blue one again? Okay, sure. But we have to read this one. Let's try to read this. How to read this AC?
It's
It's
yeah.
letter H.
H.
H sounds. Can you say that again? How about the O? O sounds. Oh.
Oh.
And the letter T sounds. T, t. Okay, blend together. Ha, ot, ha, ot. The word is
Hot aunt.
hot. Can you say it again? Hot.
Hot.
Yes. Is it hot today or cold?
Hot.
It's hot. Yeah, same here. It's hot. Okay, one more time. What is our word, AC? Hot.
Hot.
Yes. Let's try this word. So can you letter sound?
Yeah.
Letter C sounds. What is the sound of C?
C4.
C for
C4.
how about the letter U? U for
Wait.
what is the sound of letter U?
Wait, teacher. Wait, wait. Wait.
Yan. Okay. Ready?
Did you please get the blue one chair?
What is the sound of letter U, AC?
I can see now.
U sounds. Uh. And the letter T. Oops. Oh,
No.
yan. I can see you now. What is the sound of letter T?
I just do have wait. I'll close the door.
Hmm.
Wait, no, never close the door.
Yes. We're almost done. Then I'll give you your last sticker later.
Okay.
Yes, very good. Let's try to blend this. AC, can you say at the word is?
Is this is number 1?
Oh, you try to blend this, then I'll give you your sticker at. The word is
Oh.
cut.
Okay.
Oh, can you say the word cat? Can you follow that? Or can you repeat that, AC?
Open, please. You have to open.
Listen to teacher, na. Listen to teacher.
Can you say the word cat?
Next.
Yeah. Do you use scissor, AC, when you will cut the paper?
Yes.
Yes. So
Oh,
we use
the
scissor
paper.
to cut.
Wait,
Yeah.
we use the cut tape, okay?
Oh, later. Let's read this one first, then you will cut paper later, okay?
Okay, I'll cut paper.
Okay. Let's read. We're almost done.
Wait, you cut the paper?
Later. We will cut the paper later, okay? Let's try to read this one first. How to read this word? AC?
Yeah.
Oh, can you follow teacher? Cat.
Open this.
Ah.
Open-
Follow teacher first.
Can you say it again? Cat.
Wait. Wait, you can open that. Wait. Okay.
Okay, now.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. Do the picture. I want to put in on the sticker about. Wait, it's not working. Sige. Try.
You just you repeat after teacher. Can you say the word cat?
Hey,
Can you
It's
say
a-
that?
it's a more not okay. Wait,
How about this one?
the back. Wait, sticker more.
Ayan, you're done?
See.
It's a clothes.
Ay, naku, nag-play na.
Wait.
I'll give you your sticker na. Easy.
Okay.
Look at this one. But you have to follow teacher. You say pet, hot,
Hot.
sit,
It.
and cut. Yes. Okay, so that's the end of our assessment, AC. Teacher will give you your last sticker. Look,
Look mo na, dali. Look mo, teacher. Oh.
here, a labubu that wearing a costume. Stitch costume. Look, here's
Look at
your last sticker. How about tomorrow, AC? What sticker do you like? Do you like Frozen or Kuromi
Uh,
stickers?
I want that one. Lumi stickers. Lumi stickers.
What do you like, Kuromi?
Lumi and Mira and Zoe.
Ah, K-pop Demon Hunters? You like that?
Yes.
Sige. Tomorrow I'll give that to you. Thank you, AC. I'm happy to meet you.
Look, my dress is like
Yeah,
Mira
that's very beautiful.
and Mira.
We'll see you again tomorrow, okay?
Can
Thank you for your time. Bye-bye, AC. Goodbye.
Bye.